What is going on, guys? My name is Mike and this is Pond Hopper Fishing. We are on the big pond today. The tide is incoming and we're gonna fish a few islands that I've never fished before. Sun is not yet up yet. We've got about 15 minutes before the sun comes up. Got here about 6:15, put the kayak in, paddled all the way out, and we are just about at our spot. I'm gonna be trying out some new lures today. I've got a Rapala topwater tied on. I think it's like a skitter walk or something. I've got a Rapala subwalk, and then I've got a Rapala twitch and mullet. We're gonna start off with that. We're gonna see where it takes us, and then we'll transition as the day goes on. It's gonna be really hot today. It's supposed to be like 86 for a high, and I mean, it's April, so there it is. Water temperature is still lovely. It's nice and perfect, to be honest. And yeah, we're gonna try and get after it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button and hopefully catch some big fish. Stay tuned. All right, we've got some fish blowing up, guys, and we're gonna try a little top water facing into the sun. There we go. Trout, little baby trout. First fish of the day. God dog, man. What a freaking day. At least I didn't get skunked. There's all these freaking baby trout. Oh, can you stop? All these freaking baby trout, man. All right, see ya. All right. Friggin' lizardfish. Big lizardfish. Maybe we can find something here. That was my best chance, I believe. Who knows? I think that there's a bunch of redfish over here. If I had to guess. There we go. There we go. Jeez Louise, it's about time. And I was right. There are some reds over here. There's a little baby. This is what we needed though. We got ourselves a little baby red. Hopefully there's more. Hopefully there's more to come. Come here, baby. Whew. Had to freaking switch up and find something that they wanted to eat. Goodness gracious. There we go. All right. Little baby red. Pretty little thing. How many spots on this side? We got 3 on this side, and we got chill out. And we got 4 over there. Pretty little red. All right, let's get her back. Let's go catch all the other ones. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, we got a little pinfish. I hope so, because that's gonna be perfect bait. Pinfish everywhere. Come on. This is redfish. I mean, like, has to be. All right. That's a giant stingray. Swim it out. There we go. Just watch that little trout eat it. That was pretty cool. I'm like, what is popping me? Little baby trout. All we need is a snooker. We've got a couple of trout, redfish. Come here, dude. Like, seriously? This is a bigger trout than I caught earlier. Oh my gosh. Jeez. All right, this is a bigger trout than I caught earlier. Still, I mean, not a big trout by any means, but it is bigger than what I caught earlier. So that's good. Nice little trout, and try to flex her for you, but she's not big. All right, bury itself. So that was cool. What? There we go. There we go. Trout. Pretty sure. God, that's a big stingray. Yeah, trout. Small trout. And then a giant stingray is swimming by. Bite's picking up. Yeah, come on. There we go. All right, see ya. Oh, hello. There's another stingray. They're everywhere. Jeez. Oh, there we go. All right, well, bite has picked up and it is all trout. And trout chasing a trout. So, that's cool. See ya. Ah. Oh, what was that? Jeez Louise. That must have been the bonnethead. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's gonna be a trout. Oh, that's a better trout. Can I get this bonnethead to come eat it? Because that would be freaking cool. Can we get sharked here? Okay, here we go. Bite's picking up. Bite is picking up. This is a better trout. Oh, okay. Just in time for me to lose him. GoPro, stop recording. All right, guys. Well, it was a tough day, but you know what? I am sick of not posting videos because I'm having tough days out on the salt. Caught fish, nothing big. Had fun with a redfish. The snook right now are just elusive to me, guys. Like, I was expecting this morning to get out here early so then I could catch snook on topwater. I had a bite on topwater, probably from a trout, but that's about it. Nothing else. There's literally nothing else worked except for a Berkeley gulp shrimp today. I didn't catch anything. So the only thing that worked was that shrimp, and it was just tough going. So I don't know. I mean, it was still beautiful. I still had fun, and I got to see monster friggin' stingrays. I got to see monster snook, but there's a difference between snook ready to eat. Usually they're just like stopped. Either that or they're actively chasing bait. But usually snook are those ambush predator, and they just sit there until something comes in their zone. The snook that I saw today, they were very large, but they were just cruising. they were not all about sitting still and getting something coming into their zone and them hammering it. So I don't know, guys. I generally catch more snook than I do redfish, so everything's kind of backwards right now. And to be able to really get better at saltwater, I think I really got to like 100% commit for like probably the rest of the summer. And you know, it's not quite summer yet. It is down here. It's gonna be 86 today. But I really think I got to commit to figuring out different techniques for saltwater. I mean, I'm doing everything right. I know I am. It's like, am I just in the wrong spots, or am I don't know. But that's why I think I have to commit. So you're gonna see me fish some freshwater to finish out this tournament. I got a trip going up to North Carolina with veterans fishing. And then I think after that, I think I'm going to be on saltwater and nothing else. And I'm going to go to different places all the time. And I'm going to try and figure this out. I have all the gear. I have all the knowledge. Bass fishing is not that much different than saltwater fishing. And it's all lures and everything else. Now, will I do live bait? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. But today was a beautiful day. Caught some fish. Didn't catch anything huge. Got 2/3 of the slam. And I can't complain too much. You're always out here, you're always looking for that trophy. You're always looking for that trophy snook, you know. I've never caught a 40-inch snook. Biggest I caught was a 37. I want to get to that point where I am catching 30 and up snook on a consistent basis. And it's not just luck. It is knowing what to do, being in the right place at the right time, and then a whole lot of luck. But you got to put yourself in that position. And right now, I feel like I'm putting myself in those positions. I'm just not having that actual luck. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Anybody has any spots that work for them, particular baits that work for them, I'm pretty sure I'm throwing everything that everybody else throws. So yeah, it's a struggle. If I go out and I catch one good fish in saltwater, I'm like geeked for like 2 weeks. But then when I don't catch anything, I'm friggin' like, gosh, what do I gotta do? What do I gotta do right? And I consistently think about it. It's that competitive nature that's inside of me. I'm pretty sure I've been talking for like 5 minutes, so I'm probably gonna wind up editing a lot of this out, but I don't know. Frustrating day. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I mean, I got to explore a new spot, so that was cool. Thank you guys for watching. Until next video, we will see you later.